Hello there, everyone. This is Christopher with Spirit Mouse Media. It's the last day of 2023, so I wanted to get a little bit of nature filming in. Just as I was pulling up to this forest preserve, I saw a few deer walking by, so I'm going to try to still follow them because they're not that far from me, and I can still see them if I turn around. I'm going to try to get them on camera. See, this is why if you want to film animals, you got to come out early. I found in coming out early, this is how you get the good stuff.